Here I have REALME P3 Lite and let me show you how to clean speaker on the following device. Let's begin. So speaker cleaner is like a new feature for REALME phone that can save your life. So especially when your phone was in some dust or the water came to your phone, you can save your phone. All you need to do is open the list of all apps, choose here settings, and here let's tap the special features. Here let's find the AI noise reduction, the speaker cleaner, of course, this green icon. And now tap start to play sound that vibrates and the speaker clean out dust and water. For best results, keep the speaker hole facing downward and increase the volume. Note that the sound might be loud, so you have to be aware of this. Let's tap start, keep your phone that way, make it the loudest. And that's it, you just perform the speaker cleaner operation and the dust and water should came out from your device. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.